is our third video of the series Mastering MMP. So in my previous video, I have done about matters and the types of matters. If you have not watched, I'm giving the link in the description box as well as in the iCard. Please do check it. So if you are a new visitor to this channel, in this channel I do make videos on different concepts of physics. Right now I'm doing two series. One is Mastering MMP, which is in English, and the other is Quantum 100. That is a series which is done in Tamil. So if you want, you can watch those videos also. So let's get into the video. So before getting into know about determinants, in my last video I have discussed about transpose. So I forgot to mention about the properties of transpose. So let me mention those here. So transpose of a matrix is nothing but interchanging the columns and into rows, whereas as well as rows into columns, right? So what are the properties of transpose? So A transpose, the whole transpose will be equal to A. This is first property. And the second one is A plus or minus B, the whole transpose would be A transpose plus or minus B transpose. All these properties would be helpful for you while having some questions related to this. Next is A into B, the whole transpose will be equal to B transpose into A transpose, right? And the fourth property is if there is some constant into A, the whole transpose, then it would be K into A, the whole transpose. So just remember all these properties. These will be really helpful for you. Okay. Next, we are going to see about determinants. So determinants. So these determinants exist only for square matrix. Exists only for square matrix. Okay. Hope everyone must be familiar with all these. So what is determinant? It is nothing but the expansion of cofactors of a row or column. So it is a expansion of cofactors of a row or column, right? So if I have something, a matrix like A, B, C, D, then the determinant is given by this way, A, B, C, D. So we have to multiply this way and subtract it. So it would be AD minus BC. So everyone must be familiar with this. Let us do it with some value. So let me take a value as 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 1, 2. So first I have to take 1 and multiply these. So it would be 1 into interchange of multiply and subtract these. So it would be 2 minus 3. Next is this 2. So 2 into, I have to consider these two columns. So it would be 2 into 2, 4 minus 3 plus 3 into at last these two columns. Okay. So it would be 2 minus 1. It would be 2 minus 1. So which will be equal to 1 into minus 1 minus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1. So at last you'll have minus 1 minus 2 plus 3. So your answer would be 0. So let me do again one more problem. So 1, 0, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. So for this it would be 1 into 4 minus 1 minus, again here it is 0, so entire value is going to become 0, and then plus 1 into 1 minus 2. So which would be 3 minus 1. So at last you will have 2. So still for your practice I will give you 2 or 3 more sums, so which will be helpful for you. So first it is 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, and then 1, 2, 1. And second one is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 1. So just try these two sums as a task and mention your answers in the comment section. Okay, next let us properties of determinants. Here we will be seeing about properties of determinants. So how we had properties for a transpose, we have certain properties for determinants. Let us see what are they. So first this determinant of AB is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. Next, if your determinant is multiplied by some constant, then k power n into that particular determinant. So here the n denotes your order, right? N denotes your order. Next is determinant of A transpose should be determinant of A. Next, fourth one is determinant of AB is equal to determinant of BA. Determinant of AB is equal to determinant of BA. Okay, so these are some properties for determinants. And then now I'm going to share few tricks if there is a particular type of matrix. Let us see what are they. So first it is if you are having a diagonal matrix. If you are having a diagonal matrix, hope I have explained what is diagonal matrix in my previous video. If you have not watched, I'm giving the link in description box. Please do have a look at it. So diagonal matrix is something like this, right? 0, yeah. This would be A22, 0, 0, 0, A33, right? So if you find a diagonal matrix in your question and they are asking you to find the determinant, just you can write determinant is equal to product of diagonal elements. Product of diagonal elements. Product of diagonal elements. So which is your determinant will be equal to A11 into A12 into A13. Sorry, A22, A33. Okay. So for example, if I have a matrix something like A0, 0, 0, B, 0, 0, 0, C. So your determinant is nothing but it's A, B, C. You have to just multiply your diagonal elements, right? Okay. Next is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Again, I have said all these in my previous videos. Skew symmetric matrix. So your A will be equal to 0, A, B, minus A, 0, C, and then minus B, minus C, 0. So if you are finding a skew symmetric matrix, then your determinant is 0. Then your determinant is 0. Just take and try. So first term is 0. Next is minus A into, again, minus BC. Right? Minus of minus. So it is plus BC plus B into, this should be minus A into minus C. It is plus AC. So you will be having minus ABC plus ABC. So which is 0. So determinant of a skew symmetric matrix is always 0. Just remember this. Next is, so there is another method which is called reduction method. Which is called reduction method. Reduction method. So in this how we do. So first I will explain you for a 3 by 3. This reduction method will be helpful for 4 by 4 matrix. So for 3 by 3 I will explain you. So which is 1, 3, 5, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. Okay. So reduction method, the formula is actually 1 divided by, you have to write your first element in your matrix. So first element is 1 whole power n minus 2. Actually, here your n is 3. So here it is n minus 2, which is 3 minus 2 into, you have to do separate determinants. Let me say. So first you have to write the first two rows. Okay, first two rows. So it is 1, 3, 2, 1. Next is, you have to write first and the third row. So it would be 1, 5, 2, 1. Got it? Next is first and the third row. So it would be 1, 3, 1, 2. And then the next is first element and the third element with the third row. So that would be 1, determinant of 1, 5 and 2, 1. Okay. So I have to find determinants for these now. So which would be 3 minus 2, it is 1. So it is 1 into determinant of 1 minus, here it would be 1 minus 6 and then 1 minus 10, and this should be 2 minus 3 and this should be 1 minus 10. So your final answer will be final answer will be -5, -9, -1, and then -9. So now you have to find determinant for this. If you are finding the determinant, then it will be -5 into -9, it is 45, and then -1 into -9, so it is +9, so -9. So finally you will be having 36. So this is your answer, right? Hope you got this. Let me do one more. So let me take the elements as 9, 6, 5, 9, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Okay. So I have to do by reduction method. 1 by first element is 9, order 3, so 3 minus 2. So first let me write the first two rows. So 9, 6, 9, 6. Next is first and the third column. So 9, 5, 9, 6. And the next is first and the third row. So it is 9, 6, 6, 6. And 9, 5, 6, 6. Right? Okay. So after this, first it would be 0, 0. And then it is 54 minus 45. And then this is 54 minus 36. Here it is 54 minus 30. So finally we'll be having 0, 9, 18, 24. So it should be 0 minus, okay, we have forgot to write this 1 by 9 before. 1 by 9, 1 by 9, go 1 by 9. So 0 minus 18 into 9, it will be 162. So my final answer is minus 162 divided by 9. My final answer is minus 162 divided by 9. So you can do this by normal method also. This will be helpful for 4 by 4 matrix. So let me give a task. Just try. So try to solve this problem and post your answers in the comment section. So which is 5, 4, 0, minus 1, 1, 0, minus 5, 6, 0, minus 3, 2, 0, minus 10, 6, 1, 4. So this would be my third task. Just give a try. Try to solve this by reduction of order method, which will be really helpful for you. I would like to give you another one more task. So let this be fourth question. So that will be 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then 2, 1, 2, 1, and then 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So just give a try, because as you are practicing, this will be really helpful for you. And I have few notes. So first is, if any two rows or column, any two rows or column are equal or identical, either they are equal or identical, then your determinant will be 0. Okay. Just try to remember all these notes, because in sometimes, instead of spending much time on this, if you remember all these notes, you can save a lot of time. Next, second is, if any two rows or column are changed, then your determinant should be a negative. Right? So just remember all these notes. This will be really helpful for you. So that's it, guys. So hope this determinant video should have helped you. So next video is all we are going to see is rank, how to find a rank of a matrix, or this rank, to find the rank of a matrix will be really important, and these type of questions will be asked in GATE exams. So again, I have few important tricks for all those. So still then, everyone keep practicing. If you think this video has added any value to your preparation, don't forget to mention it in the comment section. Till then, everyone stay home, stay safe, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.